Today we will discuss different concentration term. That means how we can express the concentration of solution. First one, mass percentage. We represent by W by W, mass percentage. Now what is mass percentage? Now mass of solute present per 100 gram of solution. Mass of solute present per 100 gram of solution. Try to remember all these formula because this part important for competitive exam. See, WB by WA plus WB into 100. That is expression for mass percentage. Now WB, always remember B stands for solute, A stands for solvent. So WB, weight of solute, WA, weight of solvent. WB, weight of solute, WA, weight of solvent. Next one, now mass by volume percentage. Mass by volume percentage, that means that amount of solute present per 100 ml of solution. Amount of solute present per 100 ml of solution. So that one, see that WB by V into that 100, where V volume of solution in ml, volume of solution in ml, WB by V into 100, that amount of solute present per 100 ml of solution. Next, volume by volume percentage, that means see VB by VA plus VB. Actually VA plus VB means total volume of the solution into that 100. Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. That is volume percentage. Volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Try to remember all this expression. Molarity, capital M, molarity. Now number of mole of solute present per liter of solution. Number of mole of solute present in 1 liter of solution, that is molarity. So expression C, now capital M equal to WB by MB into V to 1000. WB into 1000 by MB into V. Now V, volume of solution in ml, volume of solution in ml, because if we take it in liter, then there will be no 1000 in that expression. If we take the volume of solution in liter, then there will be no 1000 in that expression. Here we take it in ml, that's why there is 1000. Okay, remember that. So here MB, molar mass of solute, molar mass of solute, that is molarity. Now in that expression volume term involved, that's why molarity is temperature dependent. That molarity depends on temperature, because when we change the temperature, volume of that solution that also change. So molarity is a temperature dependent concentration term. Next one, molality, small m. Now number of mole of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Number of mole of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. Expression C, now WB by MB into WA into 1000. Now WA, weight of solvent, WB, weight of solute, and MB, that molar mass of solute. Now in this case, see all are that weight, so it is temperature independent. So molality is a temperature independent concentration term. Molality is a temperature independent concentration term because no volume here. Okay, so that's why temperature independent. Normality, capital N. Now, number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. Number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. So normality WB by EB, EB equivalent weight of solute into V into 1000. So EB equivalent weight of solute. Now for equivalent, to find that equivalent weight for different substance, different formula. In the other video we will discuss that. Okay, that how to find that equivalent weight. So WB by EB, that is gram equivalent. Weight by equivalent weight, that one is gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent of solute present in 1 liter of solution. So here V, volume of solution in mm. Normality. Next, that relation between mass percentage and molarity, and relation between mass percentage and normality. Relation between that mass percentage and capital N. Capital N is that molarity. Now see, mass percentage equal to M into MB by D into 10. M molarity, MB molecular weight of solute, D density. Other term we already learned. So mass percentage equal to molarity into molecular weight of solute by D into 10. Next, that relation between mass percentage and normality is capital N. In this case, see, mass percentage equal to normality into equivalent weight by D into 10. Normality into EB, EB equivalent weight of solute. Equivalent weight of solute. So mass percentage equal to normality into equivalent weight by D into 10. That is relation between mass percentage and normality. I represent by Xi. Now mole fraction, see, that one also temperature independent concentration term. Now Xi B, that is mole fraction of solute. Mole fraction of solute. Now see, mole of solute by total mole. That is mole fraction of solute. See, Xi B mole fraction of solute. Na mole of solvent. A always solvent and B solute. Nb mole of solute. So mole of solute by total mole, that is mole fraction of solute. See, mole fraction of solvent, that Na by Na plus Nb. Xi A and remember, see, Xi A plus Xi B is always 1. Xi A plus Xi B is always 1. Xi A plus Xi B equal to 1. Relation between molality and mole fraction. Now see, m equal to xi b by xi a into 1000 into m. Okay, molality equal to xi b by xi a into 1000 into ma. Xi b mole fraction of solute, xi a mole fraction of solvent, and ma molar mass of solvent. Ma, that molar mass of solvent. Relation between molality and mole fraction. Next, relation between small and capital M, that is molality and molarity. Now see, molality equal to molarity into 1000 by 1000d minus m into mb. M molarity, mb molar mass of solute, d density. So that is the relation between molality and molarity. Molality, molarity, molar mass of solute, d density. Try to remember all these formula. See, it will help you in that competitive exam. Actually, in that basic concept of chemistry, that first chapter of class 11, in this chapter that concentration term is there. This one is very important for competitive exam.